Okay, so for these problems we have to use the formula P equals 4S. Now that's the formula for a perimeter, for a square. And we need to give an expression this time for the perimeter of each square below. Okay, so it shouldn't be too tricky. We start with P, perimeter equals 4S, so 4 times whatever one of the sides is. So let's plug in what we are given, what we know. So the perimeter we don't know yet equals 4. And we do know what one of the sides is. This one of the sides is 5x centimeters. So let's do that. It's 4 times the side, which is 5x. And that means we have to multiply 4 by the term inside the brackets, which is 5x, right? So 4 times 5 is 20. So we've got 20x as the expression, as the term. And the answer, the length is centimeters. That's the units. So we'll do it like that. This one over here again, let's start with P equals 4S. So P equals 4 times one of the sides. And we know one of the sides is 8x. And so we multiply 4 by the term 8x. So perimeter will equal 4 times 8 is 32x. And we'll include the units of measurement, centimeters. So we can do it like that. And the last one is perimeter, again, equals 4S. We have to use that formula. Perimeter equals 4 times what we know. In this case, we know the side is 9y. And 4 times 9y, 4 times 9 is 36, right? So 36y. And we're using centimeters. So that would be the complete expression right there.